Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to talk about on cloud-based VDRs for non-profit organization. In introduction, cloud-based VDRs or virtual data rooms are secure online repositories for storing and sharing sensitive documents. They are often used for merger and acquisition, due diligence, and other high-stake transactions. However, a cloud-based VDRs can be also used for a variety of other purposes such as fundraising, grant applications, collaboration with partners and suppliers, storing and sharing confidential donor information. Cloud-based VDRs can be a valuable tool for non-profit organizations of all sizes. They can help non-profit organizations to improve security, compliance, collaboration, and efficiency. Benefits of cloud-based VDRs for non-profit organization. There are a number of benefits to using cloud-based VDRs for non-profit organization, including security. Cloud-based VDRs use the latest security technologies to protect sensitive data from unauthorized access and theft. Then compliance. Cloud-based VDRs can help non-profit organizations to comply with industry regulations such as HIPAA and GDPR. And collaboration. Cloud-based VDRs offer collaboration features such as document annotations, discussion thread, and real-time editing. This makes it easy for non-profit organization to collaborate with donors, volunteers, and other partners on fundraising, grant application, and other projects. And efficiency. Cloud-based VDRs can help non-profit organization to improve efficiency of their work by providing a central place to store and share documents. This can save non-profit organization time and money. How cloud-based VDRs can be used non-profit organization. Here are some specific example on how cloud-based VDRs can be used by non-profit organization. Fundraising. Non-profit organization can use cloud-based VDRs to store and share fundraising material with potential donors. This can make it easy for donors to learn about the organization mission and to make donations. Grant application. Non-profit organization can use cloud-based VDRs to store and share grant application materials with funding agencies. This can help non-profit organization to improve the quality and efficiency of their grant applications. Collaborations with partners and suppliers. Non-profit organization can use cloud-based VDRs to collaborate with partners and suppliers on projects. This can help non-profit organization to improve the efficiency and effectiveness of their projects. Storing and sharing confidential donor information. Non-profit organization can use cloud-based VDRs to store and share confidential donor information in a secure manner. This can help non-profit organization to protect their donors' privacy and to comply with the industry regulations. In class conclusion, cloud-based VDRs can be a valuable tool for non-profit organizations of all sizes. Cloud-based VDRs can help non-profit organizations to improve security, compliance, collaboration, and efficiency. If you are running a non-profit organization, I encourage you to consider using a cloud-based VDR. Cloud-based VDR can help you to improve the efficiency and effectiveness of your organizations. So that's all, everyone. I hope you will understand this video, understand this topic. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe my YouTube channel. Thank you again.